Hello everyone, myself Manish Kumar Bhardwaj from HR Learning and Development Department. It's bring great pleasure to announce that we are going live on LMS, that is Learning Management System. Now what does Learning Management System do? Learning Management System has been integrated with the Success Factor, which helps you to develop your skills, develop your knowledge at sitting at one place. Savik aims in developing its employee not only professionally but personally. So let's see how you will develop your skills. Log into your Success Factor. Once you log into this page, you will get a new tab which known as Take a Course. This Take a Course tab will help you to know how many courses have been assigned to you. And on the right side you will see due tomorrow, that is the time frame within the time you have to complete it. Once you click the course, it will take you to the course book. Now here you will see the information about the course and you will start the course. Now you have attached file also in it, where the managers will help you to go through external link to enhance your knowledge, and this is what your study material is. Once you click on the link, a new brochure will pop up and you have to go through the content. Once you're done with your content reading, you have to return to your content structure. Go to your assessment test, because that is how we will know that you have been to the content and your skill has been upgraded. Once you start the test, on the top corner you will see how many questions you want to answer. Don't worry, these questions are directly related to the content. Read the questions properly and answer each question. This will help you to complete the test. Once you complete the test, you have to submit the exam. Yes, I'm sure. Congratulations, you have passed your exam. On arrival of this message, exit button, again return to your content. Now we have done two parts. We have gone to the course, we have successfully completed the assessment, and now the last part is feedback. We want your feedback. We want how did you like your content. We want to know your feedback and it won't take time. Just click on submit button. Once you submit it, the item has been completed. Now what? You need a certificate, right? You have invested your time, you have invested in developing a skill. So here your certificate is. Click on this print certificate button and ta-da, your certificate is here. Congratulations, your skill has been developed.